Okay. I hope I'm not looking like a Devi scaring
No.
people with the light.
You like live-in or marriage? Just the idea of it. Live-in or marriage?
Idea of it, definitely live in.
According to you, are you sweet, cute, hot, or sexy? Answer
I think
one.
all of
Don't.
them. All of the above.
Oh.
All of the above. Basic
Hmm.
education and good set of friends will always let you grow as a person.
So,
Yeah.
hi Kalpika Ganesh.
Hi, Shravani. What's up?
Nothing much. How is lockdown?
Lockdown
Maybe.
is finally acceptable right now. అంటే ఒక
Yeah.
యాక్సెప్టింగ్ స్టేజ్కి వచ్చేసాం మనం. And
Mhm.
I think this is how life is. Whatever it throws on us, we should just be ready to accept it. And this is,
Absolutely.
I think, the biggest war we all are fighting by staying at home.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you've been just home and like doing your work, right? I mean, for you, on the impact in padle ankuta because you've been still working and promoting your things.
Uh, Padindi, because there were two other projects which were ready for release, and release అవ్వాలంటే obviously theaters కావాలి, and how theaters are important for us and equally to the audience. We all know,
Mhm.
because missing out on entertainment is the biggest thing I think people are losing out on right now. But all thanks
Yeah.
to the phone, the internet, the platforms that people are catching up with, web
Mhm.
series, culture, OTTs
Right.
are keeping us alive for a
I know.
change.
I know. So
Yeah.
I want to talk about destiny and journey today. Okay, destiny and journey, two intense
Wow.
words. Before that, I want to play a quick small game with you. You just have to guess
Oh
something. That's
my
all.
God. And now you're giving my brain some work.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Losers win and winners lose. Yes.
My
That's
God,
totally right.
I thought you'll take a lot of time. Not bad.
నాకు
Seriously, I
ఫస్ట్
thought
లెటర్ ఎల్ఓఎస్ఈఆర్ తో
hey,
అర్థమైపోయింది. ఇట్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్
loser.
రిలేటెడ్ టు లూజర్.
ఇప్పుడే లూజర్ మూడ్ లో ఉన్నావు కాబట్టి you guessed it right, I guess, but otherwise I thought you'll take some time, but that's awesome. Nice.
థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay.
అండ్ ఐ డెంట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ దిస్ గేమ్స్ కమింగ్ ఇన్. సో
Okay,
యా.
so let's talk about the journey a little. Okay, what is the best phase of your life? Was it when you అంటే initial phase ఇప్పుడా what is more promising to you అంటే ముందర commercials, character roles, short movies ఆ టైంలో you saw your career more promising or now OTT time?
అంటే కీపింగ్ అప్ పార్ట్ ఫిలిమ్స్, వెబ్ సిరీస్ అని పక్కన పెడితే, ఆల్ టుగెదర్ ఇన్ డౌన్ సౌత్ దెర్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఫ్యూ ప్రామినెంట్ రోల్స్ రిటర్న్ ఫర్ ఫీమేల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్, right from the main lead to the sidekicks, let it be a friend or a bhabi or whatever characters, it's
Mhm.
very less that Telugu writers are not writing impactful ones.
Mhm.
Maybe it's because of the limitation, or maybe it's the star thing that works for all the heroes there, because of lot of other reasons. No one to be
Mhm.
blamed here.
Mhm.
But what I would see is, whenever I'm getting anything interesting, especially from 4 5 years, actually after Sitama Vakile, that's after 2010, I have been very adamant about, no, I'm done. I'm not going to do whatever is coming to me. I want to do
Mhm.
whatever I am able to relate to. I mean, it's done. Whatever you are trying to show me that, this is your next role you're supposed to do, this is the next movie that you're supposed to do, from the industry side, no, I was not going in their terms. I started going in
Mhm.
my terms after a solid period of accepting 10 movies in Telugu, 10 commercial movies in Telugu. That's when I
Mhm.
think I thought I was ready to, make my own decisions, because I kind of understood the game, how it goes,
Mhm.
and what was giving me
Right.
more satisfaction. Rejections
Mhm.
were giving me more satisfaction at some point, because
Wow.
I was rejecting. Then
Mhm.
later I was getting rejected. I was getting
Okay.
rejected for the point that I'm pretty familiar,
Mhm.
because I was trying to break this thing of, I had been doing a lot of set of characters. I wanted to jump to the next level by doing the characters that will push the story forward, run the story forward, or
Mhm.
people call it heroine. I know they don't call it actor or actress here. It's always the hero and heroine that speak for the films. So
Correct.
I was trying to cut that and try to go there, but because I used to do this first, people are like, she's very familiar face, we need something fresh. So it was this side, it was that side, that I was being played like table tennis ఆడుకున్నారు అనమాట. ఇటు కూడా ఆడుకున్నారు, అటు కూడా ఆడుకున్నారు. But it was
Mm-hmm.
all about okay, if this is not working out, then what, then what, then what. That zeal used to always be in me. So
Mm-hmm.
దానికైనా ఒక pros and cons ఉండేది. Like, doing all the commercial things, you're always in the limelight, you're always being recognized, you always have people coming up to you, taking your photos, autographs, all that is there. And when you're not visible to people, people think either she's done with the acting or she's got married, because we are female actors, they think like that she's done and then all that. So there had been pros and cons for both of it, but ultimate kick I'm getting when I'm doing what I'm really believing in. And
Correct.
one of my recent series, Loser, has been one of the example, because I think I've waited a lot, I rejected a lot of web series also to find something
Yeah.
that I think I can do justice, and
Right.
to the
Right.
story and to myself.
Yeah. నాకు నువ్వు ఒక 5-6 years నుంచి తెలుసు, రైట్? ఐవ్ నెవర్
Yeah,
సీన్ యూ గివింగ్ అప్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్, ఐ మీన్ అందరికి అప్స్ డౌన్స్ వస్తాయి, బట్ వర్క్ వైజ్ యూ నెవర్ హైబర్నేటెడ్ ఆర్ నాకు టైం కావాలి, ఇస్ ఇట్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్
I
యువర్
know.
నేచర్? Is it part of your nature, or you're too determined that you have to make it big?
See, for me, again, it was never about making big. Big or small, again, it's all temporary, is what I believe. Sustaining in that middle level is what I always craved for. That middle, because today one of my movie can give me a super duper hit. Tomorrow, maybe it could not be my mistake. It could be the other reasons that the movie would not work well. And then it's the place where you fall down drastically. So it's matter of that one Friday for most of the actors there. If you're the main face of the film. So my whole strive of not giving up is probably because from my childhood I was always into sports. And
Correct.
sports people unnavalu, they don't have
Mm,
this factor of giving up. They always have their sportsman spirit, and they want to
mm.
play the game rather than winning or losing. I think
Sure.
I kind of I am in that phase, or I'm in that level
Winner,
always.
losing, winning has been there part of your game, and finally now there's loser, which is, taking a big hit, which is awesome. Okay.
Yeah,
థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. ప్రయాణం నుంచి నీ ప్రయాణం స్టార్ట్ అయింది. I
yeah.
want to put it that way. I remember you
Uh-huh.
telling me that it just happened by chance. ప్రయాణం
Luck
అంటే,
by chance. Yeah,
luck
yeah,
by. So
yeah.
what is the moment? When is the moment that you started taking acting career seriously?
Post Sitama Vakitlo, when I started rejecting, is what I said. Sitama Vakitlo
Oh,
Sirmale Chattu was my 10th film.
wow. అప్పటి
After
వరకు
that,
you were just.
అప్పుడు వరకు there were 3-4 movies which I just took up randomly after Prayanam, and I know what Prayanam gave me and what rest of the movies were giving me. I was like, what was I doing the first movie? What am I doing now? I'm just
Mm,
being there like a doll. I didn't like that. So I
mm,
had to break it on my own. And from my fifth movie, I started filtering a little. And then I
mm,
gained experience, knowledge, and understanding about how all this works. After
mm,
Sitama Vakitlo is when there were 2 movies which I finished 80% as a main lead. Then it got shelved. Then
mm,
there was a Tamil flick which I did. Then this film called Sita on the Road, which I'm still waiting for, and a lot of women out there are waiting for. And then
mm,
there are short films that I got into. Luckily, I got a good recognition for my first short film. Also got a best actress award in SIMA also for the short film. So for me, it's never the platform. If you have a basic understanding of a character, and if you know, అంటే ఒక డైరెక్టర్ వచ్చి నరేట్ చేసినప్పుడు you can somewhere gauge the sensibilities where this is going to go అని. I wouldn't say you
mm,
will be in perfect place to do that, but as and when
mm.
you keep gaining experience, it helps you gauge things better. I think I'm getting
Right,
better there.
right.
So
Yeah.
I
If
think
not
I answered
acting,
your
what you?
question.
Yeah, you did. If not acting, what would you do?
Maybe interviewing like you to all the actors out there.
Nothing
Do
related
my
to sports
software.
or
I was
software.
always into dance. Dance
Mm,
chala passion unde. So
mm,
maybe that would be like a sidekick passion, dance, because that
mm,
keeps me going. And
mm,
maybe a typical software, because I am from a software backdrop. So
Oh,
that, and
okay.
then a marriage could have happened, and then kids also could have happened. You never know.
What did you
So
study? What did you
I
study?
finished my BSc from Bhavans Vivekananda, Math, Stats, and Computers. I'm a
Oh, wow.
statistics topper technically. So I think
Oh,
I'm kind of there in analyzing things a little.
yeah,
I have a
yeah.
top edge for
Logical,
that probably. Yeah.
little logic more than. Are you logical
Yeah,
or
but
creative?
creative no. Logical, yeah, but that logical also it took some time because this was a
Mm,
complete different industry because you have a whole set of people with different educational backgrounds, different mindsets, and
mm,
on daily basis you actually end up meeting all new people. Until you even
mm,
understand their mindset, you're done with the project. So it
mm.
takes a lot to be in
Yeah,
that mixed world of mindsets.
right.
So
So
it's
there will
basically
be a lot
logic,
of
yeah.
logic. Uh, అందరికి ups and downs ఉంటాయి. How do you deal with your downs? How do you like when you're
I
low? What
cry.
do you do?
I cry. I feel
I mean,
crying is best.
I know crying
Uh,
is a temporary thing, but otherwise,
yeah, it is a
do you follow?
temporary thing, and venting out is again something that will relieve you a lot, is what I believe.
Yeah.
And thankfully, I have very good set of friends who have been that strong support by always saying, we know your capabilities, and you are waiting for you're waiting for some bigger reason. So it's okay. Let the
Sure.
wait be worth it. And Jappi, they've always been there motivating. So whatever little work that I've picked up, also, it
Mm,
left an impact or a mark in people's heart or mind. సో ఇట్స్
right.
నాట్ సంథింగ్ దట్ ఐమ్ ఏదో వస్తున్నా చేస్తున్నా వెళ్తున్నా అని అలాంటి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ నేను చేయలేదు కాబట్టి there is a set of satisfaction, but when there are these lows, these are my friends who keeps my spirits high all the time. And
Okay. Including
yeah,
me. I'm there
of
in the
course,
friends list.
charms. Yes, you are, and in fact అప్పటి నుంచి నేను I wanted to give you a compliment. You are like shining so bright. I think lockdown has made you do a lot of self love, home remedies, and
Because
all that.
I turned into a vegan, so I think it's showing.
I think we have to give a high five because even I did. Can
Yes.
you
Oh
believe it?
wow. Oh, I can't.
Yes,
Wow. I thought you loved
yes.
chicken. You loved
Of
the
course, I
chicken.
love. And okay, so I'm not into vegan right now. I don't know if you heard of this whole food plant-based lifestyle. It's
Right.
a complete
Right.
lifestyle. It's the next level of vegan. Vegan can still eat,
Okay.
processed food and all that. So we don't
Right.
eat processed, dairy, and
Wow.
meat. We make
Awesome.
everything from scratch.
ఎన్ని రోజులైంది that you turned this?
See, I wouldn't say I was strictly following because I couldn't because of a lot of situations here and there and availability of things also.
Mm.
30 days easy.
Awesome. It's been 2 months
Yeah.
for me, so 2.5 months. So
Wow, wow. Nice.
it feels fresh.
Yeah.
I don't know about the looks, but it feels good.
True. And I think that makes a lot of impact. How you feel inside, it shows outside, they say, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, Kalpika, you're into fitness, you're into brand endorsements, you do the liquid diet, you're into modeling. What is that one thing that you want people to relate to? Ante Kalpika Ganesh, ante actor, model, whatever. What is that one thing?
Mm. As a human, I think, rather than any of it, you just relate to me as a human person that you know in
Sure,
person.
sure. I mean,
Ante,
work-wise, career lo see,
yeah,
I'm doing interview right now, like that.
right. And you
What is
find
the
your
top?
whole soul and peace in this interview. I totally know it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. One thing, because all this, the other ones that you mentioned had
Mm-hmm,
all started after I turned into actor. Maybe
mm-hmm.
it's the actor that plays the primary role any
Sure.
day. Yeah,
Okay.
because I never even looked at myself in the mirror before I got into acting, and I was like triple times of my size during Prayanam. And I know I never concentrated on fitness. I didn't have much knowledge. I was not interested. So all
Mm-hmm.
this happened only because I turned into an actor. So yeah,
Right. So
I
acting, you
think
would say.
yeah.
Okay. Is it a conscious decision that you didn't marry so far, or you didn't find the right guy?
Jama, I hate you for this. Same question to you also, by the way.
when
Uh,
I'm in a place where people can interview me, I'll answer this for sure, for sure. But it's your turn.
yeah. Rather than conscious decision, I think I'm not finding the right person. Everyone says there's no right person, wrong person. maybe I'm not finding the person whom I can tune in rightly for my అంటే for a companionship for a life. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ మనం హాఫ్ లైఫ్ బతికేసాము ఇప్పుడు కరెంట్లీ, సో ద రెస్ట్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి వెరీ పీస్ఫుల్ కదా. సో దట్ పీస్ఫుల్ ఉన్న ఇది, if I find that vibe, I think I am never against marriage.
Oh, exactly. I was going to ask you, you're not against marriage, right?
No, not at all. I love being loved. So of course marriage will get the other side of me. Yeah,
that'll be very sweet. Okay. What is that one funny incident in your life so far that you can remember and still laugh about, like crazily? Comedy scene in your life.
Okay.
Can you think of any?
No. I don't know if it's like funny incident, but pretty girls have this issue all the time. Okay, I think this would be like a tip also for a lot of them. So I have never been a coffee person, and there has been this whole trend of the social media getting high, and people messaging each other when Facebook was new, when Instagram was new, or whatever. From then when I got into acting, people were trying to reach me through Facebook. Appudu Instagram raale, tarvata Instagram vachindi. So a lot of them used to send all that pretty comments, compliments, and I don't know whom to respond, how much to respond, how much to even interact. I used to be really nice to them, and after a point they were like, can we meet for a coffee? And my simplest answer used to be, I'm not a coffee person, I don't drink coffee, sorry అని చెప్పేది అనమాట. So it used to always work as a shield for me in a way. And abbalu, what? Okay, that of course we know what they mean by let's meet for a coffee. They want to start the interaction or whatever. But నేను అలా చెప్పేసరికి లైక్ అబ్బా ఇది చిన్న పిల్లలా ఉంది పిల్ల అని చెప్పేసి ఇంకా ఎక్కువ గెలకకుండా అక్కడికి కట్ అయిపోయేది చాలా మటుకు. తర్వాత ఏమైందంటే వన్ ఆఫ్ ద షూట్ లో ఐ హ్యాడ్ దిస్ సీన్ వేర్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు సిప్ కాఫీ ఇన్ మై రీసెంట్ ఫిల్మ్, ఫిల్టర్ కాఫీ. సో సిప్ చేసినట్టు యాక్టింగ్ చేసా, వీళ్ళేమో ఓకే టేక్ ఓకే అని చెప్పేసారు. అండ్ దెన్ ఐ వాజ్ లైక్, యు నో వాట్, ఐ డిడ్ంట్ ఈవెన్ సిప్ ఇట్ బికాస్ ఐ యామ్ నాట్ అ కాఫీ పర్సన్, ఐ డోంట్ డ్రింక్ కాఫీ అన్నాను. తర్వాత దే వర్ లైక్, యు నో వాట్, వి ఆర్ డూయింగ్ వన్ మోర్ టేక్, దెర్ ఇస్ అ లిటిల్ టెక్నికల్ గ్లిచ్ అన్నారు, అండ్ దిస్ టైమ్ యూ హావ్ టు సిప్ అండ్ గల్ప్, వి వాంట్ ఆల్ దట్ యాక్షన్ ఇన్ ద యాక్షన్ అన్నారు. ఐ వాజ్ లైక్, డోంట్ డూ దిస్ టు మీ బికాస్ ఐ నెవర్ టేస్టెడ్ కాఫీ అంటిల్ దెన్. Then I just sipped, and from then to today I'm a coffee person now. So look how all this coffee has made a huge impact on me in a lot of ways. Right.
Yeah, it's ironic. So right?
It's
what is the what is the rumor spread about you? Any rumor, online, offline? That impacted you. What is it? What impacted you the most? ఎప్పుడు పట్టించుకోలేదా రూమర్స్?
చిన్న రూమర్స్ చాలా వచ్చున్నాయి, బట్ రూమర్ ఇస్ అ రూమర్. మళ్ళీ చిన్న పెద్ద వి డోంట్ నో హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ ఇట్స్ రీచింగ్. అది మనం రూమర్ అనుకొని మనం ఫీల్ అవడానికి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. చిన్న రూమర్స్ వచ్చేసి బికాస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ద మూవీస్ లో నేను ఒక పెళ్లి కూతురు క్యారెక్టర్, లేకపోతే పెళ్లి అయిపోయిన క్యారెక్టర్, రీసెంట్ గా పెళ్లి అయిన క్యారెక్టర్, కాబట్టి అందరూ నా పెళ్లి అయిపోయింది అని డిసైడ్ అయిపోయి ఉన్నారు. సో ఏదో ఒక చిన్న పిల్లలతో నేను ఫోటో పెడితే మీ కూతురా మీ కొడుకు అని, దిస్ ఇస్ ద బేసిక్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ రూమర్ విచ్ I actually laugh out with it. But things that impact me is, because I've been always portrayed this cute, this lovey-dovey, matured girl next door kind of thing all the time. Whenever I try to put out a bold pic of mine, which I try to experiment with looks, which I started doing very recently over my social media, or over experimenting the creative side in me. And then people start off, oh, this is all desperation, ivanni roles kosame kada. Those impact me. It doesn't affect me, but it impacts me. It makes me tell them that, okay dude, whatever it is my decision, though whatever it is. Okay, you don't have any rights to interfere. And those kind of people are in millions all over that we all know.
So guys, Kalpika Ganesh is single. She is not married. I want to tell this to everyone.
I never said that I'm ready to mingle also. Right?
Okay, next segment.
Guys, even Shavni is single.
Yeah. Okay. We'll catch up on our talk.
Is this coffee with Karan, virtual coffee with Karan happening here?
I don't know. Like, I just want, I don't know. There's no reference. I'm just going with the flow. So there is a next segment called Only Truth. Only Truth. Before that, I want you to guess another word.
Naku nene topo.
Hey, how are you guessing Yes,
Adhika,
how
why would I not guess? You wrote it in English, right?
I know, but
How
I
would I
don't know. A
not
lot of
guess?
people take
You have
time
a
because.
beautiful handwriting too.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Okay,
The
let's
thing
go to
is,
the.
I am an all-rounder. I'm pretty smart, yeah.
I know.
I
I
can't
know
help
you
it.
are. You are. No, actually, I don't want to deny that you are. You are. If not acting, I can imagine you being a great software employee or anything in your field. I think you would kill it for sure. I'm not just saying
Administrative
it.
side, yeah, probably kind of managing things in a certain way with
HR.
an authority type of kind of, yeah. I get it.
Yeah. So, Kalpika, actor or a model?
Actor any day. I think I'm bad as a model, yeah.
Avuna?
I'm just getting there, and not even just getting. I just keep trying. Ante. What works will work. Otherwise, gone. It'll just
Okay.
get trolled.
Mm. Good sense of dressing, yes or no? Do you have good sense of dressing?
I think I know what to wear at what occasion. I wouldn't say I'm great, but I at least know how
Mm.
to wear and what to wear at what occasions. Yeah.
Okay. Mm. Kalpika can handle criticism, yes or no?
Starting low, no.
Mhm.
Now I'm in between. I wouldn't say
Okay.
completely yes.
ఎవరినైనా చెప్తే no, you'll go into the self defensive mode.
Yeah. Earlier it used to be like that. Now I am able to at least debate why do they even feel like that? What makes them feel like that? If it is
Mhm.
debatable.
Now
I
you're
mean, which I think
introspective.
yeah. I think there are some sensible debates which you can take it. So there I debate. Ante.
Okay. Did you ever dump someone over a text message? Yes or no?
Oh my God. I think no, because I would have fed them by then that okay, this is not going to work out. So I didn't have to
Phone.
declare that okay, it's over.
Okay, let the
Yeah.
phone Jesse. We have to break up now. I don't know. A lot of people dump over message, so I'm just asking.
Oh, I know. I don't belong to that generation. I think I was in a little previous generation, so I was a little considerate to all the
Start
men there.
చాలా professional గా approach అయ్యి you tell no, na?
అలా ఏం
Okay.
లేదు. And you know when things are not working out, you actually understand from both the sides. Yeah, that's the whole
Okay.
thing.
Okay. According to you, are you sweet, cute, hot, or sexy?
Hmm.
Answer
I think
one.
all of
Don't
them. All of the above.
no.
All of the above.
ఇక్కడ వరకు
Oh
answer
my
just one. No,
God.
pick one. No, see, Kalpika sexy or hot. Come on, pick one. How do
Okay,
you
Chamu, what would you call me? You tell me.
in
As a
fact I didn't.
friend,
No, you can't do this to me. I'm
I
asking
will
you
give my
who's into.
answer. I will give my answer. Okay, first let me give my answer, then you give your answer. Is that fair?
Okay, sure.
I think now I turned sexy.
That's good. I would call you hot. I would call you hot.
Wow. Same,
Okay.
vice versa.
Okay. Are you
So I didn't get you, sorry.
are you close to your mother or father? Close,
Oh,
like the
mom,
connection,
mom.
like you share
Mom.
everything. Okay.
Now I share everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your idea, your idea of you like live-in or marriage? Just the idea of it. Live in a marriage.
Idea of it, definitely live in. Because
Live in.
yeah, because why getting into the legal documents, announce to the society, and if it doesn't work again, the whole society is going to trash you. Rather than you figure out by living in, it's fine.
But
Yeah.
live in, do you feel there is going to be some level of insecurity also? No, you don't.
I have
Marriage,
not
like,
been in one.
okay, that's fine. Hypothetical, I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Okay,
Yeah.
now it's going to be candid, okay? No diplomacy at all. Was it
Oh,
fun working? Hmm. Was it fun working with Priyadarshi or Vishwak Sen? Fun. Fun.
no diplomatic, so I have to think obviously because Vishwak, I just happened to work one day. Darshi, I worked for 2 movies together. So a
Mm-hmm.
long time with Darshi, so it was fun with Darshi. Yeah,
Okay.
Priyadarshi.
Venkatesh or Mahesh Babu?
Mahesh, obviously, dude.
Okay, cool. నీ Instagram లో you said keep it real bold లో. Why did you make that your tagline? అంటే you met a lot of unreal people or what? Keep it real, it says. Why?
I'll kill you
I
for this.
like your
Man, you're
I
doing
love
too much of detailing surveys, huh? What to poke, where to poke me అనేది. అంటే even if someone is trying to ask me for a date on Instagram and trying to blabber all the other topics except this, I don't want all that. Whatever it is, come to the point, you know.
Be
So keep it
frank,
real
straight.
is, yeah, just don't show the other fake side of yours, which is not worth. At the end of the day, that fake side will come out any which way. And I have been in the industry of actors. I know, how actors can fake it easily too in their real lives. So I really need real people. I don't need the fakers around. So I
So
always
no
believe in keep it
beating
real.
around the bush. No beating
Yeah.
around. Direct గా
Just
point.
get to the business. Yeah, whatever
Wow.
the business is, just get there.
Awesome. Talking about Sita on the Road, I remember you being very excited and recent గా స్వేచ్ఛ అనే song కూడా రిలీజ్ అయింది
So,
కదా. What is the future of Sita on the Road? Is it coming up on OTT or what's happening?
I think Inka, that's the future.
Okay. And
But
what about
it's just that థియేటర్ లో రిలీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత కిక్ దీంట్లో ఉన్న కిక్ I'm gonna miss that because we'll
yeah,
not know how many people have watched it actually. When it's an
correct,
OTT platform, it is handed over to another platform, and they would not
correct,
sit and tell us the number of viewership and all that. But
correct.
then I think if your content is good, again, no matter where it is, you'll be reaching. So
Because
yeah, I
I
hope
was
on it.
waiting for Sita. I was waiting personally for Sita on the Road. Remember, I used to ask you so many times.
All the
"Eppudu wastund-"
time, all the time.
Yeah.
I know.
And what about Ekam? I liked your, your
Look
vibe in
and
Ekam also. Yeah. Ekam kuda.
I actually totally forgot about that.
Yeah. I like the
It
song.
was, yeah, the songs were very trance based and all,
Very spiritual.
lot of Shiva
Yeah.
based and spiritual,
Correct.
and it's about a solo. You're a travel person, you love traveling, so I know how you could relate to so much to it. It had also given me great vibes after the music released and all that. I think I have to check with my director what's up with it.
Yeah, Varun Vamshi, he's in Srisailam.
Yes,
I'm in touch with him. I spoke to him once about the movie. I really like the
vibe
ideology
and
of that
what is,
director.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
But
that is
he's an amazing director.
yeah,
Amazing director, I should say. Yeah.
correct.
It's
I
just few
really wish
things has to fall in place for him, probably. Yeah.
maybe right time, like Seat on the Road and Ekam. I really am waiting for you I mean to see you.
From your end, yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Okay. Can you tell us the dialogue loser లో ఓడిపోవడం
Say,
అంటే
దారులు లేకపోవడం కాదు, ఉన్న దారి వెతుక్కోలేకపోవడం అంతే. బట్
మంచి పంచ్
టోటలీ
చెప్
డిఫరెంట్ టోన్ లో చెప్పేస్తా. ఏ ప్లీజ్ రే, డోంట్ డూ దిస్ రే. ఇది ఎట్లా ఉందంటే ప్లీజ్, చిన్న పిల్లల పాపం ఏదో ఒకటి ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ నేర్చుకున్నప్పుడు రిలేటివ్స్ వచ్చి ఇంట్లో వస్తారు కదా, అమ్మా ఇది చేసి చూపి అమ్మా అంటే ఎట్లా ఉందో అట్లా ఉంది ఇది.
I really like that line.
ప్లీజ్.
Who wrote the dialogues?
ఓ
చాలా బాగుంది.
మ్యాన్, ద రైటర్స్ అసలు వాళ్ళకి ఎంత దండం పెట్టినా, బికాస్ ఎవ్రీ డైలాగ్ వాజ్ వెరీ ఇంపాక్ట్ఫుల్ అండ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ who follow me ardently on my social media platforms, they have shed tears watching it. They have related to it. They're sitting and writing down the dialogues, what all they like, so that they can implement in their real life. This is like
Wow.
so inspiring, dude. ఇంత వాళ్ళకి కనెక్ట్ చేయడం అనేది ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈజీ. దట్ టు యాజ్ అ వెబ్ సిరీస్ ఇట్స్ కమింగ్ అవుట్. ఫిల్మ్ అంటే ఇంపాక్ట్ పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది యూజువల్ గా, బట్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ ని ఇంతే ఆదరిస్తున్నారు అంటే it's again about the writing, the content, the actors delivering it, and our loser was a package of everything. It was a blockbuster package. It's the whole soul was the team. We are just the faces for it, so whole credits to the team, I would say. So the writers were Sai and Chepesi and Shravan and Abhilash. There are 3 writers. Abhilash has directed, but Shravan, Sai, Bharadwaj and Abhilash has written it, because there are 3 different decades happening, so everyone had major roles to play.
Last లో
Did you watch it?
not the entire bit I'm going to, but I saw bits and pieces. But last లో చెప్తున్నా, but congratulations, you acted really well. Very small bit I watched. the
Avuna?
total vibe and your dialogues, I felt the real actor in you, because I
Yeah.
don't know, I come from the digital world, and then theaters can chudanu, this gave me goosebumps. This dialogue especially, it's really nice, and I thought
Yeah.
I should congratulate you on the interview
Thank
specifically.
you. Thank you. Thank
More
you.
to come.
Because taking up this character also was challenging for me because of when you watch the series, you'll understand I had a certain set of challenges when I had
Hmm.
to say yes for this. So
Hmm.
for me today, all this appreciation is giving me a hope that okay, whatever decision I'm making is going in the right way. I'm taking the step by step
Yeah.
decisions, but I'm in the right path, and you have a confidence istundi.
నాకు కూడా ఉంది
So
ఆ
I think we
confidence.
want more makers like that.
Sure, OTT is the way to go, and I think you're right there, like shining
Yes.
bright. So all
Touch
the
wood,
best.
fingers
And
crossed. Thanks.
is there anything that you want to tell people who are pursuing acting, or any message that you want to give to the world or universe or your fans or anything before we? Because I want to keep up to it. It's 30 minutes. I want to wind in next 2 minutes. So any message that you want to give?
Okay. I'll straight away give this whatever I'm giving it to the female people who want to try it out, because males can find their way out some or the other way. Let it be industry or the world, they are in a better, safer place than when compared to women. So, ఏమున్నా లేకపోయినా, I think your basic education is what I would always recommend everyone to have one, because education system లో ఏమవుతుందంటే you always get exposed to boys, girls, or the people around, how the people can manipulate you, how the people are going to treat you. With everything, you are going to build your character. So building of the character is always easier when you are having a strong education, and then you can start facing life. Obviously you will have an ups and down, whatever, in whatever profession you do. I won't say just the industry or acting or anything. Any
Mhm.
profession, when there is a man and a woman, you'll have all your equal pros and cons, but it'll teach you. But you will be in a better place to take a pride and take a stand for yourself, rather than being helpless or getting into the wrong place and all that. Basic
Mhm.
education and good set of friends will always let you grow as a person. And
Mhm.
if you're trying for your acting, believe in yourself. uh, I wouldn't say follow this person, imitate that person. Everyone have their own way of getting to know what acting is. Just
Mhm.
live the character, just understand the scenario of before and after of the character, and just live that particular scene, and then you'll get there. And yeah, for this lockdown again, post lockdown, it is very important that everyone has to still continue to be safe and keep the others safe also. So
Correct.
yeah, and all thanks to every police and every hospitals and all the healthcare centers and everyone, all the media, all the journalists, and everyone who are doing a great job, because of which I think we, the people who can afford things, are still able to afford a lot of things because of them. Of course, there are a
Yes.
lot of set of people who are helpless right now, which a lot
Mhm.
of people are doing the bit to give
Mhm.
them good support. So with
Yeah.
that spirit, I think we all shall pass this, is what I would
Wow.
want to say and end.
Wow. Yeah.
It was
Awesome.
really fun, Shravs. I'm
Yeah.
feeling bad
Actually,
that it is ending soon.
actually,
Uh,
you're the one of the most sensible persons in this industry that I met personally. So
Biskita.
I no అవసరం ఏం లేదు బిస్కెట్ వేయడానికి. I mean whatever I say.
Oh,
So
yeah.
lot
You mean business,
lot
like
of
you're to the point, like how I like it. Right.
yeah. Keep it real, Gada. That's your thing. So I'm keeping it
I
real.
know.
So
Right.
lockdown అయ్యాక వెంటనే we'll catch up and we'll party and we'll celebrate the loser success for sure.
Yeah. I'm waiting for it too. And please, I'll be waiting for all your reviews too. Guys,
Okay,
please
I
subscribe
will.
to Z5. Whoever is going to watch this, you will definitely love it.
Mm.
Yeah.
By the way, this is for Coffee in a Chai Cup, so say something to the Coffee in Chai Cup subscribers too. I mean,
Okay,
just say
now I'm a coffee person. So I love my
yeah,
coffees
yeah,
all the
yeah.
time now.
Sure.
And yeah, special mention and a special shout out to Coffee in a Chai Cup, because they've always tried to stand out from the regular a lot of how you guys get the actors presenting to the people out there. So
Right.
special mention for all the efforts that is going behind Coffee in a Chai Cup, and three cheers to you guys. Hip hip hooray,
Thank
hip hip
you.
hooray, hip hip hooray.